Mexico bound. Got a long ride.
17 hours.
17 hours, 14 minutes.
Where we at, Illinois?
1,000 miles. Yep. Here we are, road trip.
You rolling? Still on our way to New Mexico. 8 hours left. Beats 24. 25.
Rocking it straight through.
Yeah, straight through drive. 24 hours, 25. It's not so sweet.
8.6 miles per gallon right now.
8.6?
Yes.
Yep. We've been burning through fuel like it's our job. But can't wait to get there. These mule deer got another thing coming.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Snow too. I'm glad it's not plowed.
Yeah, it's about 2 in the morning, and we're rolling through Texas right now. It's a blizzard. Kind of incredible.
They have thousands of deals at the stores you shop.
Going about 40 miles an hour.
Find the coupon you want, show your phone,
And we're from Ohio. We're used to this.
Yeah.
They'll even alert you when there are deals nearby. It's that easy.
Oh yeah, like. Finally made it to New Mexico. 20 some hours. Snow everywhere.
Turn right onto Wheeler Avenue.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Finally getting into Roswell, New Mexico. In about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Snow on the ground. 20 degrees. Matt's been driving for 25 hours.
Straight, baby. Straight.
How you doing over there?
Doing good.
How much pop you drink on the way here?
Just take a look at this area right here.
A little strung out.
Alright, it's my first time in New Mexico here. Finally made it out. I got Donnie behind the camera right now. Matt's driving the buggy. We're made a seat strapped on top here. Hunting desert muleys. First time. Saw a bunch of bucks today. We had to run into town. We had little problems with the buggy yesterday. Finally got that fixed. About probably 2 o'clock now. finally heading out here. Got the old Hoyt with me and a good brother behind me, so we're gonna try and get something done this evening.
How far he was. I thought he was moving.
Dylan, what are we about to do?
Let's go try and shoot this deer. Fed it down over there, some does.
You found my hat?
No, I didn't. Gonna try to do a little stalk. I'm gonna be walking this creek bottom, and Donnie and Matt and go over there by the high wall. And if we kick them up, they're gonna run up and go uphill somewhere. But maybe I can squeeze a shot off if I can get close enough without them does seeing me. I get down there and I see him coming out, dude. I'm like, it's not windy down here. I knew it was gonna be over 70, 84, and I'm like, crank it down to 70, aim right at the crease of his neck and his shoulder, and smoked him.
He fell down by that telephone pole there. I saw him getting woozy.
I smoked him. Dude, he's big.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm fucking pumped.
Yeah, baby. Stay tuned.
I saw Don. You shot him there?
Is that the side you shot him at? I aimed right here. All day. That's the one. Oh, the first day. You can't let that thing walk, brother.
Give me 5.
That's him. That's him from the first day. The first.
You shot him then?
Yep.
You shot him then?
Yep.
You got big frame book.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
You rolling the dog?
Well, we just reviewed some footage from yesterday. This ended up being the same buck that we chased, right? Probably 200 yards from where we just shot him. He busted us, tried to put a stock on, with too many does with him. But this is definitely him. We got some good footage of him yesterday. He was bedded up on the side of the little ravine. And today we got done. Smoked him.
Tag on. Tag on, brother. Tag on.
Can we put it on? Actually put it on?
There you go.
Tag right off.
That's alright. Keep it towards the top.
Just fold it.
Yeah. Where I go?
It's getting tired.
Where I go from?
Oh. Spotted this buck down over the hill on that bottom over there. He ran up on top of this hill with a few does. So me and Dylan ran around the side of the mountain here and got up, tried to cut him off. Matt came down through this other side here and
I
was able to.
put a stalk head on
Yeah.
with him, and he ended up being bedded up. I got 74.5 yards, and my arrow drifted a little bit, but we caught him right in the front of the shoulder. Came out by the neck here, so.
We were able to get him on film, but that's hunting. That's how it goes. I had the cameraman with me. Can't have cameras all over the place, I guess. We only do what we can do.
So another buck on the ground. We got one to go.
Two bucks down in one day. I'm the only one with the tag left.
First full day of hunting here, and before 2 o'clock we laid 2 of them down. So
Had a great
stay
trip.
tuned for the next one. Next one will be on film here.
There's a good 4x4, it looks like. He's bedded down. We just watched him bed down on the base of this hill, where fingers down. He's probably a couple hundred yards away. I got Matt behind the camera. We got perfect wind. We're gonna sneak up around this hill here and get down this gully. Try to put a stalk on. If he doesn't go anywhere, we should be able to get an arrow out.
Range's dosed him. Is he good or no?
That's a borderline, Dad.
How far? Those does are at 63.
Borderline, yeah. Duck him.
Gotcha.
Down.
Nice shot.
Got him on film too, baby. I got that on film just so you know.
He's a big deer. He's an old deer.
How far was he?
54. I couldn't get a range on him through that brush.
I know. I saw him spin.
See some horns.
Something's sticking up out there.
He's no monster, but I'm happy. Dude, look how old he looks. He got good eye guards too.
Still pickle on the board. Get him back a little bit.
No, he's facing the other way. That's exit.
It's crunch time right now. I got about a half hour left to hunt. We just bought a nice 3x3 over this bank here. He's bedded down all alone. But I'm gonna creep up here. He's only about 100 yards. I'm gonna see if I can get a shot off. Smoked him.
He's gonna fall.
He's gonna fall right there. Down. He's going down.
Poof.
Done, baby.
Dude, long time coming, fourth and 1,000 yards.
It all came together. The last second. I literally have a half an hour to hunt. I put a terrible shot on him the first time. Man, that second one, he ain't making it out of that one. Dude, give me 5. You see that?
Down, baby. Dude, you walked right by him, dude.
I didn't see him. I didn't range him. I just thought he was about 30. What do you think?
Dude,
I put my 30-yard pin on him. Dude! Did you see that?
he's down for good. He kept trying to get up.
Done deal.
Jesus, dude.
It's been a long journey.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you what, you owe me a lot of beer after that.
I do.
A lot of beer.
We're gonna go out to eat on the way home. I want to buy you and Dylan dinner. Oh, I thought I was gonna leave here empty-handed, man.
Last second, dude.
Last second. Right when I thought luck was running out. How everything switches around. Oh, man. He's done, man. I smoked him that second shot.
He's more to the left over here. He got up and went to the left here. see your arrow.
Look at that second shot. Done. Look at that buck. Look at that. Last half hour of the hunt. Don't get no better than this. A beautiful New Mexico mule deer.